What's going on in here today?
I don't know. A lot is going on.
Well, we got the HVAC guy here, and we got the fireplace guy here. You are putting a blower in there, right?
Not today, but eventually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we started out with putting the blower in.
Okay, and who are you with?
Midwest Fireplace.
Midwest Fireplace, okay. Oh yeah, that's our ductwork. I think there's probably going to be a return air. Yep, there's a return air up there at the top. All right, we got a drain in the shower floor. Yep, I see it. Awesome.
You don't get the full effect until you turn right.
You what?
You have to look straight down.
Oh yeah, you can see the light down there. Awesome.
Look over here.
Yep.
Chad wanted us to film something.
Yeah. Okay. We got a duct there. We're in the master bedroom now, just in case you didn't know. And we got a duct there. And there's a duct in the master closet. And there's two in the living room over there. That's another return air.
In the master closet.
In the closet, yeah. Interesting. Let's go downstairs.
Okay, here's where the washer will go.
Yeah. Cool. All right, we're downstairs now in.
This is the room that air, she says, is hers. Okay, let's go out here. Here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
Here's the room that Caroline and Jay. Boy, somebody's a bad housekeeper. Oh, here's the walk-in closet.
Yeah. It's hard to see in there. It's kind of dark. This says Linux. This one doesn't say anything. Got a ton of duct work lined up here, and some little round donuts there. Okay, this is the kitchen and living room, and we got a lot of duct work in here too. And the fireplace guy looks like he's probably finished. So that's where we are at this point.
We have something new. Garage door. And we have another garage door. It's open. We have an address. We have a sold sign.
I'm here at the property with Jake, and Josh is downstairs, but he's too busy to be on video. But Jake said he would say a few words and tell us what the heck he's doing here. Go ahead, Jake.
Just installing the HVAC system, heat runs, furnace, everything along those lines.
So that'll keep us warm in the winter?
Yep.
Okay.
Pretty much.
All right, great. Well, from what I've seen, everything looks pretty professional. So just keep up the good work, and thank you very much.
Yep, no problem.
There's the fireplace. I would start it up so you can see how it burns, but it says, "Do not start up. Cap is bagged." Oh, well, I'm gonna have to wait till winter time.